Hi, Steve Horton from Horton & Sons. Got a great little gun here for you. Army and Navy, made in 1910, weighs £6 9oz, 28-inch barrels, choked improved cylinder in the right, modified in the left. The barrels are pretty much how they would have come out of the factory. It's 29 thou wall thickness in both, 730 bore measurements in both. It is a 12, as you can probably imagine by those measurements. It's pretty much straight in the stock, so there's very little cast. Stock measurements are 14.5 at the centre, from the forwardmost trigger, we always take the measurements, 14 5/8 at the heel, and 15 inch at the toe. Weighs £6 9oz. It's a superbly made little gun. Automatic safe. Balance is slightly forward of the hinge pin, ever so slightly. But there you go, so it'd be quite quick to get onto stuff. Superb gun.